to move your body with me. In this video, we're going to use our bodies and our imagination to take us to the beach. Let's start with a warm-up. As we warm up our bodies, we're also going to warm up our voice. Reach over to one side and say, ooh, ooh, ooh. Reach to the other side and say, ah, ah, ah. You're gonna bend your knees, open your hands and your mouth real wide. Say, wow, 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 wow. And now you're going to do and say, twist, twist, twist. Other side, twist, twist, twist. Let's speed that up. Ooh, ah, wow, 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 wow. Twist, twist. Again, ooh, ah, wow, 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 wow. Twist, twist. Again, ooh, ah, wow, 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 wow. Twist, twist. Again, ooh, ah, wow. Twist, twist. One more time. Ooh, ah, wow. Twist, twist. Ah, the beach. Here we are at last. It's hot, hot sand. Ooh, 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 hot sand, hot sand. Ooh, lift up your knees. We have to make our way through the hot, hot sand to our perfect beach spot. Lift those knees. Hot sand, hot sand, hot sand. I see a crab in the sand. Be a crab in the sand. Be a crab in the sand. Crab in the sand. And lift up your knees. Hot sand, hot sand, hot sand, hot sand. Crab in the sand. Crab in the sand. Crab in the sand. Hot sand, hot sand, hot sand. Whew. Okay. We found a perfect spot to put out our blanket, and now we get to look out into the ocean. It's so beautiful. You can hear the crashing of waves. Now let's use our body to make those waves. Let's start in our hands and feet. Make waves in your hands and feet. Now let the wave go through your entire body. You can make the sound of ocean waves with your voice. Make the waves bigger. Bigger waves. How else can you make waves with your body? You can use your arms, your legs. Try different ways to use your body to make waves. What if it just goes to one part of your body? And then into another part of your body. Maybe it's in your arms. Ooh, so excited to get in those waves. Have you ever been surfing? I haven't, but I love to pretend. Let's pretend we're going surfing. So we're gonna swim, 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 and then we are going to jump up and surf the wave. do it again. We are going to swim, 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 and get ready to jump up to surf that wave. Ready? Jump up and surf that wave. Oh yeah. Let's catch one more wave. Here we go. You can swim any way you like. Swim, 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 swim. Get ready to jump up. Whoa, here we go. Everybody's surfing. So cool. Woo. All right, now let's swim back to shore. Let's shake all this water off. Shake, shake, shake. Shake yourself dry. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your whole body. Shake your hair. Whew. I love hanging out at the beach. I brought a game to play. It's a guessing game and a rhyming game. Let's see if you can guess the word, okay? This first word rhymes with the word beach. Okay, it rhymes with beach. If you don't know something and I want to show you how to do something and you're gonna learn it, I'm going to teach. Yes, it's teach. Okay, the next word also rhymes with beach. Okay. Oh, if there's something up high, it's on a very high shelf and I can't get to it, I need to go up on my tippy toes or ask someone for help because I can't reach. That's right. Really good. Okay, these next ones rhyme with shell, like seashell. This next one, ooh, if I have a secret and I am going to say it in your ear, I'm going to tell a secret. Yes, okay. Oh, okay, this one is if I'm going to tell you something, but I'm going to say it really loud. It's a yell. Yes, I'm yelling. Okay, okay. Ooh, these words rhyme with wave, like the waves. Okay, rhymes with wave. Oh, this one is a bear might live here. A bear might live in a cave. Okay, okay, okay. Ooh, okay, if someone's name is David, you might call them this for short. It rhymes with wave. Dave, yes, okay. Oh, whoa, that was really fun. Okay, thanks for playing. Now it's time to cool down. You can sit like me, or you can do this standing up, but make sure that you're sitting up or standing up nice and tall. We're gonna use our hands as we take a deep breath to scoop the air around us. Again. Last one. Now give yourself a squeeze and a pat on the back. And go ahead and tell yourself something that you like about yourself. Here is something you can do later. When I go to the beach, I love to search for seashells. You can search for seashells at home. You can draw, cut out, color seashells, hide them around your house, or have someone else hide them around the room, and then you go searching for them like when you're at the beach. Well, thanks for hanging out at the beach with me today. See you next time.